Hello everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to send a voice message on Facebook Dating. To send a voice message on Facebook Dating, the first step is to open the Facebook app on your phone and go to the dating section. If you are not already logged in, sign in using your Facebook credentials. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Matches section. This is where you will see all the people you've matched with. Select the match you want to send a voice message to by tapping on their profile or chat. This will open the conversation screen, where you can see your chat history with that person. Now, look for the small microphone icon located next to the text box at the bottom of the chat screen. To record your voice message, tap and hold the microphone icon. While holding it, speak clearly into your phone's microphone. You can talk about something you've already discussed, ask a question, or share something interesting to make the conversation more engaging. When you are done recording, release the microphone icon. You will see an option to preview the voice message before sending it. If you're satisfied with the message, tap the Send button. If you want to record a new message instead, you can delete the one you just recorded and start again. Once you've sent the voice message, your match will be able to listen to it whenever they open the app. Voice messages are a great way to make your conversations feel more personal and interactive, so don't hesitate to use this feature. That's it. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.